everybody. I wanted to show you how to take a cake mix and cut it in half so you don't have to use the whole cake mix. Okay, so what you want to do is, this is a Pillsbury, and it pretty much any cake mix. I've done it with even the Great Value, as you can see. So I wanted to show you. Focus, come on. Hello. Are you there? There you are. So I wanted to show you. So whatever the recipe is on the back, as long as they come with the same, like this is 15.25 ounce. Let's see, I don't think, this is 16.5, but I do it the same way every time. So anyway, on this one it says 1 cup of water and one half cup of oil and 3 eggs. So what I do is I do 1 1/4 cup. Basically I do half the box of this. So we're gonna just, you can even mark the bag if you wanted to, but you can see. So we're gonna do right about here. Just stuff it into your bowl. So half of the mixture. Then it says a half a cup of oil. So I have a 1/4 cup. And this is coconut oil. So we'll put that in there. I'm gonna let Tess do it because we're getting ready to make some cupcakes. So, and then it says a cup of water. You do 2/3 cup. And I would show you, but I don't want to flip it over. And then it says 3 eggs. Use 1 egg. 1 egg is plenty. And then you're just going to mix it up. And I'll put the directions down on the bottom. But we're getting ready to make these. So the basically the ice cream cones with the cupcake in it. So I got these, and of course we're just going to use these ones. So I will have that video next. So I just wanted to show you how I cut the recipe in half, because I don't want to have all those cupcakes here. No, because I'll eat them all. So I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and come back and see me. All right, bye.